welcome to Myanmar Focus Daily. And for this episode, we will be looking at top concerns of foreign investors in doing business in Myanmar regarding the real estate issues and suggestions in coping with those hurdles from experts. Real estate analyst Colliers International Myanmar stated top concerns for foreign investors are the due diligence on the ownership of the land or buildings that investors are interested and finding space to set up offices. Experts suggest that the process of identifying the ownership of the land should be started in the early stage.
When you go into these markets, you need to be very cautious in terms of jumping in straight away. So you need to analyze who is the owner, what is the structure, what is the land tenure, and I think that's one of the issues, apart from the land price, that a lot of investors are talking to us about, and obviously very cautious. So once you get over that obstacle, I think it gets a lot easier. I think that with the Myanmar Investment Commission and the Foreign Investment Law, I think if you go in with the Myanmar Investment Commission, it may be the processes may take a bit of time, just like dealing with the government. But in the long run, I think the legal structure is much more clearer if you go through these sort of channels.
For investors looking to set up offices in Myanmar, there are several options to cope with limited office spaces. For example, looking at the new supply coming up in the market, or space outside the prime area in Yangon, or the newest alternative, which is the service office projects.
There are things you can do. Let's take those core buildings, the 54,000 square meters. There is still some space available in there. If you look at occupancy, except for the one building that's recently completed, it's about 96%. But in that third building, there's a couple of floors, 2 or 3 floors still available. And there you're looking maybe $80 a square meter, that kind of range. If you don't want to pay that kind of money, then there are options. You can, as I said before, you can either look for something a little bit further out of the downtown area, a little bit older, or maybe requiring a bit of renovation work, and what many people are doing is finding a villa and renovating it, which can work out very effective in terms of cost. A new option coming into the market now, which I think is important, is some local developers have started to put together serviced office projects. They're not very big, but they offer people who are coming in to have a look-see and don't really want to invest a lot in office fit-out. They offer these people a chance to set up quickly in a nice environment with all facilities already there.
With a shortage of office space, hotel rooms or service apartment, Myanmar desperately needs more supply in the market. It could be seen as both opportunities and challenges at the same time for foreign investors. For those looking into investing in real estate market, the key is quick delivery.
I think the key to this is delivery. So I think that I think there's a market, a desperate need for office space, a desperate need for hotels and service apartments, and I think if you can get these buildings up quickly, we've always sort of suggested that even the large investors should look at it as a long-term plan and get involved early with maybe smaller developments that they can get up and running quickly and make money from, rather than just talking about these long-term visions of 5 years to 10 years. So if you start to do delivery now, then you start to get to know the market better. You start to get to work with a joint venture partner. You see if you can work with them in the future. You find out how it works with the construction, with the fitting out, with the M&E, and all these aspects to it by actually getting involved. So we see a lot of investment opportunities for companies who just start off relatively small and get their hands dirty, so to speak, and then ramp up.
Another sector of real estate that is also suffering from inadequate supply in Myanmar is the service apartment. This problem also brings about the new type of expat currently emerging in Yangon. What is this new type? Find out in the next episode of Myanmar Focus Daily. Honoravi Tangmisang reports.